The Colors of Indonesia, presented to you by the Apurva Kempinski Bali. Ladies and gentlemen, the Apurva Kempinski Bali has set the year 2022 to be an important milestone as the resort put focus on celebrating the beautiful diversity of our country and to capture the colorful culture of the archipelago. The Apurva Kempinski Bali collaborates with Indonesia's special talents as well as accomplished professionals who are experts in their fields. Now, it is the time to present our acknowledgements to our collaborators. First is Panamera Coffee. It is a company that consistently presents Indonesian coffee beans and works closely with the farmers. Together with the Apurva Kempinski Bali, Panamera Coffee introduces the specialty coffee blends of each region to the guests. Cyril Congo. He is one of the world's leading artists in the graffiti art scene. Congo is famed for his collaborations with Hermès, Richard Mille, Daum, La Cornue, and Chanel. This world-class artist created an avant-garde atelier at the highest floor of this resort called L'Atelier by Cyril Congo. Inspired by the unity and diversity of this majestic resort, Cyril Congo has discovered the perfect stage to bring his art and effortless savoir-faire to Indonesia. Dr. Lawrence Blair. He has lived in Indonesia for over 45 years. His 10-year production of the Ring of Fire documentary series opened the public's heart and eyes to the rich culture and heritage of Indonesia, its mystery and transformation. Raul Renanda. He is an Indonesian-based designer, thinker, and artist. His works cover architecture, interior, as well as fine art. Raul has been involved in various projects, from designing hotels and resorts to participating art exhibitions. Our collaborations with Raul Renanda includes From Bali to Cannes of the Skyer Yacht Program, SR 1928, The Awakening Concert Grand Piano, LSR Speaker, and Indonesia Coffee Table Book. About this special concert grand piano, for your information, SR 1928, The Awakening, was specially crafted, and there are only two in the world. One of this luxurious and elegant piece is sitting in front of us here at Pendopo Lobby. Let's now talk about our collaborations with distinguished Indonesian fashion designers. Famous for his use of ulos, the Batak traditional fabric, it is Torang Sitorus, who collaborates with the resort to share his extensive knowledge of Sumatra's fabrics and textiles. I'm wearing his ulos right now. And to bring distinctive slant for the lady in red attire, there they are right now, Torang is giving the special touch with the beauty of ulos. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2022, the Apurva Kempinski Bali will collaborate with the Indonesian Art Institute of Bali to hold Concertini and Ignite the Night initiative. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause? Our appreciation to all of our partners and collaborators. The spirit of Indonesian craftsmanship is clearly represented by SR 1928, The Awakening. And the talent of Indonesian artists evokes pride to us. I believe each and every one of us here like, yes, this is Indonesia. We have very rich diversity that makes us proud as Indonesian. And that ignite our spirit to embrace globalism with our richness of our culture. And here, we're presenting to you with the hope of a brighter 2022. The spirit of Indonesia.